So healthy mind is the key to your fitness, to your beauty. I do take that time off and I would go to any sort of wellness center. One thing that has really worked is like having dinner by 6 o'clock, not having salt and sugar post 6 and no carbs.
Hi Khushali,
Hi.
welcome to E-Times.
Thank you.
And we're going to do a fun health and beauty segment with you. So firstly, I want to ask you, what is your definition of beauty? And as an actress where you have to look good in a certain way at all times, fitness is also important.
Yes.
But personally also, how do you look at fitness and beauty?
See, for me, fitness is like, having a healthy mind.
Yeah.
I think that defines your health, overall fitness, as well as your beauty. You need to be happy from within. If you're happy, it will reflect on your face. You would not even need much of makeup. Stress is something that would, eventually does show up. If you are stressed about things, your focus भी नहीं होगा. आप workout भी कर रहे हो, आप कोई और चीज़ के बारे में सोच रहे हो ना, I don't even think so. You're that part is of your body is going to respond also to the kind of the workout that you're doing. So healthy mind is the key to your fitness, to your beauty. That's for me. So I try to indulge in things that would release happy hormones.
Like what?
It's like yoga, meditation, spending time with loved ones, traveling. I think that all is important.
Yeah. I want to know that, while girls look up to you and you look so perfect, I think while growing up as women, all of us go through their phases where we have insecurities because during teenagers where we're just entering our, teenage years. Did you go through any that sort of a thing? And at what point did you find that shift? Was it after you became an actress where you thought that, okay, now I look good or perfect?
See, I've actually never, gone through any insecurities as such. I've never thought about it in that way. Somehow, I don't know, even when I was in like school.
You were always good looking. And
I'm not going to say, it doesn't feel right to say it like that. But, I had my little some fan club. I had boys, following me. And then in my, in your farewell time, you get those titles.
Yeah.
So I wore a sari. So I remember the teachers, coming up and telling me, oh, we can't get our eyes off you. And I won that if looks could kill. So all of those things were just very overwhelming. I just couldn't, you don't even understand what exactly is happening that time. So I've always enjoyed that period and being compared to Kate Winslet. I'd even gained little weight. In boards you tend to eat and all. So it was just a fun thing which I've always enjoyed, never taken any sort of pressure or insecurity, no.
Yeah. So at the moment, what is your fitness regime like, or does it differ also from film to film or regularly also when you're not working? What is your diet and fitness regime like?
It does differ from film to film. When I was doing Date Biga, I had left any sort of workout because once you're gymming, your body is a little different. The way you walk, the way you sit, everything changes. So yes, I do change my workout as compared to the characters that I'm playing. In rest of my films, I was required to look fit. For Starfish, I did lot of water sports, water activities, even aqua aerobics I used to do. So I just keep changing my kind and form of workout. But for me, even for like, you need to empty your thoughts. You need to empty your mind. So yoga is really important for me, yoga and meditation. I do take that time off and I would go to any sort of wellness center just alone, or I travel with my mom, go take a break for 10-15 days and then come back.
Yeah, okay. And lastly, do you have any fitness tip and also like a beauty tip which you would like to share with our viewers and everybody? Because I think beauty tips is something we've all got sometimes from our moms or some DIY thing that we grew up following.
I think there are lots of things. I think this is like with every girl. From my mom is like, every time she's trying either different hair oils, different packs, face pe vatna, to we all know is something. I don't think so. कोई भी family में कोई माँ ने अपने बच्चे को तो हमेशा वटने से किया ही है, face पे लगाया ही है. But I do believe in energy a lot. हाथों they say Reiki also, right? हाथ की जो energy रहती है. तो कितनी बारी होता है मैं अपना face का जो अभी भी not now, but at times I will tell mom to apply vatna on my face. I think that does help. But besides that, fitness for me, one thing that has really worked is like having dinner by 6 o'clock. So that works wonders for me, and not having salt and sugar post 6, and no carbs.
That sounds lovely. Thank you so
Thank
much,
you. Thanks a lot.
Khushali. It was so much fun.
Same here. Thank you.